Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your laptop and assets. Make sure Clipchamp is open and you're signed in. Import footage now, drag and drop, or use plus add media to collect video, audio, and images into bins for quick access. Once files appear, create a new 16:9 project and set resolution to match your main clip. Arrange clips roughly on the timeline immediately so you can see pacing. This first step avoids hunting for files later and gives you a clear visual map to refine. Now you refine the timeline, trim with handles, split clips at the playhead, and ripple delete gaps to keep flow tight. Add transitions sparingly and place text overlays where they support the message. Use presets for consistent styling. For polish, correct color and exposure, reduce background noise, and normalize audio levels so dialogue sits clearly. If you need motion, apply speed controls or keyframes to scale and position. Once done, scrub the sequence from start to finish and fix any timing hiccups. Finish by previewing the full edit and confirming audio levels, captions, and safe frame composition. When ready, open Export, choose Resolution and Quality. Select hardware encoding for faster renders if your laptop supports it, and pick the target format. Export and watch the final file to confirm sync and artifacts. If export fails or stutters, clear Clipchamp's cache, restart the app, and update GPU drivers. That usually fixes encoding errors. If problems persist, reduce export quality slightly and try again to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.